What's going on YouTube? Official Keith here, and today we're going to unbox the Nomad rugged case for the Pixel Bud A series. Now before we get into this, go ahead and like, share, subscribe, and comment. You already know what to do with the notification bell, so let's go ahead and get right into this. First off the bat is the box. Now the box is doing something pretty spectacular considering that this was shipped via FedEx. The box is pretty much flawless. Like this, the experience of this box is definitely worth the price of admission. I will tell you that I've had several products come in and sometimes the boxes are dinged a little bit or whatever, but the way that this was packed and shipped, Nomad is already becoming the real deal. Also with this comes this, the paperwork. This is crazy. Like, I've never had a product that ships its paperwork, that ships its paperwork and something like this. Like, the paper of this is very premium feeling. This is crazy. I almost don't even want to open this. Like, I almost don't want to open it, but let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. I will open that, by the way. Pull tab, because they must have seen my videos and see that the boxes always troll me, so just pull it out like that. There it is. This is the rustic brown color, and it's a two-piece. And if you look inside look in the box, that's it. Even this right here is just like, this is quality right here. Let's go ahead and get those Pixel Buds. Got it right here, and it should be easy peasy. You'll want to look right there at that for that dot. You see it there, so that'll be the charge indicator, meaning that that's going to be the front. And you'll just kind of put it in there like this. This is what happens when you don't read the instructions. Hold on just a second. Yeah, okay, so y'all don't make the same mistake that I did. Inside the case, so you can have this to kind of, if you want to hold your buds, like put them on and then put them on your wrist, you can do that action right there. Now let's let's try this again. Let's go ahead and just look at that. It slides right in, and then the top. Oh, look at the top. You got branding on the top. I don't know if you can see that there. I don't know if I have it upside down. You got branding on the top. Like, that's man, the level of detail with this is crazy. You put it on and it's good to go. Like, it's a quick, simple, easy install. You can get to your buds quickly and easy, and it's a rugged case, man. And then if you look on the back of the box, it gives you, there we go, it gives you how it looks today and then how it'll look in 100 days. And 100 days of this, I'm fine with, as long as the inside of this doesn't get damaged. You have a cutout easy for your charging port, and it feels premium in the hand, man. Like, this thing really feels premium. I like that right there. Let's go ahead and get into this to see what is inside of this. And we'll just do this right here. Wow, wait, look, it even gives you a message. Pause the video if you want to try to read that right there, but that's from the team. And then this is premium. Look at that. This, man, Nomad, y'all really doing some things. Let's pull out the contents. Looks like you get you get some stickers. Some Nomad stickers. And then right here, it has a letter for you, dear traveler. And you can pause the video if you want to take a read of that as well. And there's even something on the back, so kind of like if you need customer service or whatever. But this has been an excellent experience, an unboxing experience to say the least. Let me go ahead and put this back in here real quick, and then I'll slide it into this bad boy right here. But back to this, man. This thing here, this this was a good pickup. I do say so myself. I know I've seen some other channels who featured Nomad products, and I've always wanted to try them, but I never got around to getting the product. And let me tell you, the shipping was fast and easy. And I will throw the link to this product down below so you can check out this and the other products that they sell. But this is the Nomad rugged case. This is for the Pixel Bud A series. I believe they have other cases for the other Pixel Buds and other devices altogether. So I hope you enjoyed this quick little video of this unboxing, and I hope you have a good rest of your day today. And we'll see you next time on the next video. You're now official.